Okay, from here, sa Mike Beach, nakikita niyo yung sa background, ayan o, may malaking Buddha. Yan. Doon kami pupunta ngayon. Sana ba? Yun. Hello everyone! So yun ang pupuntahan natin, yung Lady Buddha statue or yung Lin Ong Pagoda statue, and it's located at the Sontra Peninsula here in Da Nang City. This is a must-see attraction if you come here to Da Nang because according to the internet, this is the tallest Lady Buddha in the whole of Vietnam. We're just gonna do a short visit lang, and you know, way back in 2012 when you used to live here, siguro I've been there more than 20 times. Yan na siya. Yan na, malapit na tayo. Yan o. Yan na siya. Oh, by the way, my husband is the one driving right now. Nag-rent a car kami for our Lakwacha for today. Oh, dito na daw tayo. Okay, we're here. Kuala Lin Ung. Ito rin yung dati. Ganda oh. Wow. We're here. Daming tour bus oh. Ito parang naalala ko to dito eh. Oh, ito nga. Ito rin yung dad. Ayan, naalala ko dito tayo nagpa-park dati.
No.
Ayun ang naalala ko, yung entrance na yan eh. Ganda oh, pagoda. By the way, walang entrance fee dito. Well, anyway, we're just gonna have a quick tour of the place. Magre-reminisce lang ako nung mga times na nandito kami 12 years ago. We used to come here and we truly enjoy this place kasi napaka-serene ng place, maganda, malinis, and most of all, nakaka-relax siya ng mind. Ako kahit hindi ako Buddhist, pumapasok ako sa mga shrines, nag-o-offer ako ng mga prayers, tapos nagla-light din ako ng mga incense, nagbo-burn ako ng incense. The building that you see there, that is the main shrine. So, pwede kang umakyat dyan, and a lot of people actually go inside there to pray. There are mga Buddha statues din inside, pero bago ka muna pumasok, magtatanggal ka muna ng sapatos mo. Tapos dito sa labas ng shrine, meron ka makikita mga 18 marble statues. And symbolically, they are believed to guard the shrine.
Big Buddha.
So that's the Lady Buddha and it faces the sea. Tapos sa baba niyan, meron ding parang maliit na temple where you can pray. Anyway, alis na muna kami dito because we need to meet a friend at Hyatt Hotel before we head to the beach. So, kalalabas lang namin ng Hyatt and itong area na to, it's a strip of 5-star hotels dito sa may Da Nang. Yan, the Crown Plaza Da Nang. Ito yung mga 5-star talaga. Ano kaya to? Ginagawa pa.
Pool crane.
I think ito yung, hindi. Ano to? Ariana. Resort din yan eh. Yung Furama Resort. Malaking resort din to eh. Tapos ito naman yung Pullman. Pullman Resort. Malaki din yan. Okay, yan yung beach. Diba? Nice. Ayan, ang daming tao. See that? Beach lang kami. Feel ko lang mag-beach for now. Anyway, this is a public beach. Anyone can come here. It's free. Pero syempre, may bayad yung mga beach huts and beach chairs. What's nice about this public beach is yung malinis siya. Kahit na sabihin mong pang-public lang siya, wala kang makikitang basura na nakakalat kung saan-saan. Anyway, 5:30 na, makulimlim na. Maalis na muna kami kasi may dinner date kaming dalawa ni husband sa Memory Lounge. I'll take you there, guys. Oh. We're going to Memory Lounge for dinner because this is our last night in Da Nang, so we're gonna have wala, magte-date lang, no, Dad? Have a good dinner. Dito madali lang kumuha ng Grab as long as you have the app. So easy. Bilis pa dumating. Wala kasing traffic dito. Alright.
Come on.
We're here.
Okay.
Thank you so much. So this is the Memory Lounge restaurant. Tara, let's go inside. Oh, that's nice. It's a view of the bridge. Yeah, there are some boats that cruise along the river. But I didn't try this. I didn't try it yet. Kumuha ka na ng salad. Either two boats cruising along the river. So colorful. Wait, transfer kami sa taas para open air. So, let's check. Wait, I wanna see. Oh, ito parang masarap po. Ang mura ng mga ganyan dito, 49 lang yan. Pati yan, no? Mura-mura.
Let's go.
Okay, akit kami.
Ganyan lang pala.
Ay, di pala open air. Meron. Kung gusto mo talaga sa labas. So, dito na lang kami sa taas. Well, solo namin yung area kasi
Lunis.
Monday, walang tao. We're having this first. So, salad first.
Ikaw.
So, yan, haluin mo muna yung salad.
Pomelo yan.
Pomelo salad.
Salad yan.
Ang daming
Ano yan?
So, parang dito mo ilalagay sa bowl.
Tapos, ito ang kope.
Kuha ka na isang ganyan. And Vietnamese spring rolls. Steak. So, ito, chicken something. I don't know what this is, but so hanggang dito na lang muna, and I hope you enjoyed my video for today. So this is Nell. Bye!